This is Unit 1, Question 3. And the only thing new here is that instead of something going up by a percentage, it goes down by a percentage. Here we go. Here's our original stock amount, $25,000. Here's the percentage it changes by. Now we have two ways to do this. Let me do it the way that's suggested in the hint. I'll use a negative percentage, negative 11%. And then we can just use our usual formula with no changes at all. We have, at the end of 1 year, our original amount, $25,000, I just clicked on it, plus any change. And the change is a negative 11% of the 25,000. That is 25,000 times negative 11%. When I hit enter, you notice that the amount has gone down from 25,000 by 11% to 22,250. Now that's the end of the question, but let me point out that if we like, we can do things slightly differently, and both are okay. If we look at the formula here, we have our usual formula where we add on a percentage. It's just that the amount that we're adding on is a negative amount because we used a negative percentage. A different way to get the same answer is to use a minus sign over here so that we start with the 25,000 and subtract off some. So let's look at that over here. Here's my original amount, $25,000. Here's the percentage it'll change by, 11%, and notice that I entered that as a positive 11%. In this case, to use positive 11%, we're going to have to use a negative sign in the formula. Here it goes. The amount at the end of the year is the original amount minus a certain amount. How much should we subtract off? 11% of 25,000. That is the 25,000, 11% of it. 25,000 minus 11% of 25,000 gives us the same answer as before. Either one is okay so long as you know which you're using and why you're using it.